Today you are about to witness something truly sensational. The White House of Donald Trump presented in a way the world has never seen before. This is not a typical tour and not another historical overview. This is a full cinematic reveal of America's most iconic residence, shown with scale, emotion, and a presence that ordinary footage could never deliver. Our journey begins high above the legendary address, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. As the drone rises over the residence, the White House appears not just as a government building, but as a symbol of power, history, and decisions that shape the world. In this tour, it stands before us with the bold energy and confidence that people often associate with Donald Trump himself. Here, the White House transforms into a living monument, dynamic, commanding, and absolutely unforgettable. The camera glides down, shifting between different areas of the residence. We move from the iconic exterior to interior spaces, each shot capturing the atmosphere of presidential authority. Nothing is described room by room. Instead, every frame gives a sense of scale, elegance, and presence. Smooth movements, dramatic lighting, and transitions create the impression that we are truly walking through these halls, experiencing the depth and prestige of this historic place. Architectural details appear from new angles. Columns, grand passages, tall ceilings, long corridors, ceremonial areas, private sections, and spaces that feel charged with history. Every scene is filmed in a way that emphasizes the greatness of the building, without depending on the order of specific rooms. It feels less like a tour and more like a cinematic exploration of the world's most influential residence. The drone moves through central areas, formal sections, working spaces, and private zones, revealing a variety of moods and atmospheres without focusing on exact details. Each frame reflects the spirit of presidential life, strong, refined, confident, and unmistakably grand. The style, lighting, and perspective hint at the luxury and bold character often associated with Donald Trump, but without tying the visuals to any specific interior order. Transitions between locations create an incredible sense of immersion. It feels as if we are physically moving through the building, discovering one powerful space after another. This is the moment viewers begin to realize, I am seeing the White House for the very first time. As the tour continues, the feeling grows stronger. We see symbolic angles, dramatic lighting, quiet corners, majestic open areas, and powerful viewpoints that together create a full emotional portrait of this legendary residence. It is less about specific rooms and more about the experience of being inside a place where history is constantly alive. The grand finale comes as the drone pulls away into the night sky. Warm lights shine from the windows, illuminating the architecture with golden tones. The dark sky creates an epic contrast that elevates the entire scene. From above, the White House looks majestic, alive, and more impressive than ever. This is not just an overview. This is a completely new way to experience the White House. This is Donald Trump's White House, like you have never seen it.